Hey guys, it's 8:30 and I just woke up. I have class at 9:40 and I usually get up earlier, but today I just was tired. I went to bed at like 10 p.m. so I got a lot of sleep, luckily. And now I'm going to make some coffee and just sit around until like 9:20 and then I'm gonna leave for class. And yeah, that's about it for this morning. I'm not doing anything exciting this morning, but it's time to go to class. So this is Naomi's cat. It's her emotional support animal, and we absolutely love him, even though he's not the best at his job. He's good at it sometimes. Sometimes. Okay guys, so I'm going to be wearing this shirt today. I got a little bit of water on it, excuse that. And I'm wearing shorts underneath, but I sort of like this oversized shirt with sneakers look. So that's what I'm gonna be wearing today. I might end up tucking it in, not sure, but usually I just wear it down. It's really cute. It has like skateboarding going all the way around and it's a skeleton. Pretty fitting for the season that's coming, so yeah. I just got that on camera. Edgar, are you okay? He licks him. Bye Naomi, I love you. Don't miss me too much. Okay guys, so I just got home and now I'm making a grilled cheese. I sort of skipped breakfast and now it's 11:17 and my roommate Lindsay made a grilled cheese and now I'm feeling grilled cheese too. So that's what I'm gonna do. Edgar's gonna knock over the camera. Okay. So the next thing I have to do is at 1, so I have 2 hours to study and get things done. And then I need to go to my psychiatrist appointment. We're gonna be open about mental health on this channel. So yes, I go to a psychiatrist and she's the love of my life. And I'm so excited to see her today. So I've been looking forward to this for like a month. So I have that and then that'll go until probably 2. And then I have class from 3 to 4:20. And then I have a meeting tonight. Lots of things to do. And for now, we're gonna eat and then study. Edgar, that's mine. Okay guys, so it's 11:40 and what I do is after my class, I listen to my Just Focus playlist, which is study music. I highly recommend it. I know I've mentioned it in a vlog before, but it was one of my summer vlogs, which aren't as popular as the school ones. So highly recommend the Just Focus playlist on Spotify. It's so amazing to study to. And what I do is I take my notes in Orgo in pencil and then I copy them. I take pictures and copy them in ink so they look more like this. It's just to better understand what's going on. You know, rewriting the notes can't do any harm. So I do this every day after I have Orgo, and yeah, so I'm gonna do that right now and then going to my appointment after that. trying to study and Edgar won't let me study. He just wants to cuddle. He's not letting me take my notes. He's so cute. I don't want to keep studying, but I need to because I don't have much time before my appointment. Okay, so I got a page and a little bit done. I'm like halfway done with my notes, but I have to go to my appointment. And Edgar's being very cuddly. I hope you guys like seeing Edgar in the vlog. I don't know why you wouldn't. But yeah, I'm gonna start heading out to my appointment. And I'm not gonna film at my appointment. Okay guys, so my appointment went really well. I'll update you on it later. Maddie and I need to go to ecology and we're about to be late if we leave any later than we are right now. I made a smoothie to go. It's a berry smoothie. And it's really good. What did you make that noise for?
I'm so sorry. I knew you were going.
It's fine.
There's some snot on his face. So
Okay, so now we're going to go to class and I'm gonna walk around ridiculously with a smoothie in my hand. Okay guys, so Maddie and I ended up leaving class like 20 minutes early. No big deal. It's hot as balls outside, so I'm sweating. And that means I need a shower. But first I'm having some chicken tenders as a snack with my Chick-fil-A sauce that I hoard. And yeah, so eventually I'm gonna shower, I'm gonna study, and that's basically it for the rest of the day. So you guys can come along and study with me, and that's about it. Okay guys, so I responded to emails and did a little bit of my Orgo lecture that I had left. I'm almost done with that, and then I think Naomi and I are going to go to the business pavilion tonight to study. So I will wait till then and then take you guys with me there. I'll update you guys when we go to the pavilion to study. Okay guys, so we're about to go to the business pavilion to study, but I wanted to show you guys my new Fila shoes. I think they're really freaking cute, and I'm about to wear them for the first time to go study, which is like not the most appropriate time to wear them, but dang, they cute. These are the shoes, and I think they're so freaking cute. I am wearing shorts, by the way. I'm wearing another big t-shirt. I think they're so freaking cute, and yeah, this is my fit to go study. Are you taking a picture of me?
yeah, look. These are the colors that you wear.
Wait, do you want to show them?
Sure. Look. It shows you the colors of wherever you are.
Oh, that's so artsy though.
I know.
Oh my
Getting
gosh.
our design class.
What are you studying, Naomi?
I am making a poster in Adobe Illustrator, so it's just like graphic design crap. Who knows?
And I'm doing dun 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 physics. I hate physics so much. Okay guys, that's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to become part of the Kaitlyn Films family. And I hope that you guys, you're just staring at me.
I just was watching you.
And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys all very much, and I'll see you guys next week in another video. Peace out.